this video, you'll learn how to use the Crestron touch panels found in most classrooms at Utah State University. The Crestron touch panel allows you to control projectors, TVs, audio, and other equipment in the classroom. There are several different types of touch panels found on campus. Some are bigger and some are smaller, but despite the difference in appearance, we have worked hard to ensure most Crestron touch panels on campus have the same user interface, meaning buttons and controls are located in the same areas. In this video, we'll be using one of the larger touch panels in a classroom that also has video conferencing functionality. When you first enter a classroom, the Crestron touch panel may be black. If this is the case, simply touch the screen to wake it up. One of the first things you'll want to do is power on the displays and lower the projector screen if there is a projector in the room. The power controls for the projectors and TVs are located on the bottom left of the touch panel. Pressing a power button will power on and off the different displays. We'll turn on the projector in this room. Notice the AV mute button next to the projector power button. When the projector is on, this mute button allows you to mute or black out the projector. Pressing the button again will unmute the projector. This can be useful if you want to black out the projector for a short amount of time without having to turn the projector off, then back on. If the classroom has a motorized projector screen, you may be able to lower it from the touch panel. If you don't see screen controls on the touch panel, look for them on the wall near the instructor's station. Next to the power controls are the volume controls for the room. These let you increase, decrease, or mute the audio in the room. If you're playing a video on the PC, you'll want to make sure the PC audio is not muted. Some larger classrooms offer sound reinforcement. Sound reinforcement amplifies one's voice throughout the room. If you want to use this feature, you'll need to be wearing the wireless microphone found in the drawer below the instructor's desk. Once you have the microphone, select the Mics button on the touch panel to bring up the volume controls for the sound reinforcement. If this level is too high, it will create feedback. If this happens, you simply need to lower the sound reinforcement volume. If you're teaching in a classroom with video conferencing equipment, you'll most likely see these three buttons on the top right of the touch panel. These are there to help you quickly set up the room for different types of events. If you're teaching a broadcast class, you'll want to select Teach IVC. If you're teaching a face-to-face class and will not be using the broadcast equipment, face-to-face should be selected. For the purposes of this video, we'll select face-to-face, but if you'd like to learn how to use the touch panel for broadcast classes, click here. Now let's look at some of the available sources found in most classrooms and how to display them. On the left of the touch panel, you'll find the available sources in the room. PC, laptop, document camera, and Air Media are the most common sources you'll find. Selecting one of these sources will display that source on the front projector or TV. When using the PC, you'll want to ensure the PC is turned on. Try pressing a key on the keyboard to wake up the PC if it is asleep. If that doesn't wake it up, you'll need to turn it on by locating the PC and pressing the power button. The PC can usually be found below the instructor's desk. If you want to connect up a laptop in the room, connect your laptop using the HDMI or VGA cables, then select Laptop on the touch panel. Some classrooms offer an option to connect a laptop wirelessly through a system called Air Media. To use Air Media, first select Air Media on the touch panel. When selected, you'll see this screen on the projector. Notice the IP address and code along the top of the screen. To connect up a laptop using Air Media, you'll first need to open a browser on your laptop and type in the Air Media's IP address. This will take you to a page like this. From here, you simply download and run the client for either Windows or Mac. Once running, you may need to enter in the Air Media IP address along with the code. Then you simply press Connect. If you want to use the document camera, first select Doc Cam on the Crestron touch panel. Depending on the room, there may be a document camera on the instructor's desk or installed in the ceiling. In rooms with a ceiling document camera, the document camera controls will appear on the touch panel when Doc Cam is selected. When you finish teaching, please power off the projector in the room and raise the projector screen. This helps to avoid damage to the screen and extends the life of the projector lamp, which saves the university money. If you'd like additional training, we'd love to help. Please contact Tara Gibbons at 435-797-3285 to arrange for training.